All right, guys. So we just swapped up into something else. You see that I hook up four speakers on this receiver. One from on top of the table, and one on the bottom. Actually, at the bottom itself, down here, it's I bet that the speakers are like a little tiny, but we're gonna blow them up anyway. So yeah, I'll hook up four speakers, and we're gonna blow up four speakers at this point right now. And then in the back, the radio right here, I have a radio here that I have, so like that I could use that later. But these two speakers, we're gonna blow them up using that the radio, depending how much power does the radio has. I'm not too sure. If the Yamaha receiver doesn't want to blow it up, then we just move. Then we try the radio, because this radio itself does have extra bass on it, and it's really loud. So here we go. All right, let's be prepared, and let's be prepared in 3, 2, 1.
Put your hands up! Give me that basket, quick! I swear I'm sweating like a sinner in church. Please.
This is Yamaha. You're now watching Sound Crusher video. And I am Yamaha receiver. It's time to blow the speakers up.
Come and get 'em!
Inhale. Exhale. Amplifier can blow the speakers. Just like a gun. Just like a gun. Oh, hey, amplifier can blow the speakers. Just like a gun. Just like a gun. Oh, hey, amplifier can blow the speakers. Just like a gun. Just like a gun. Oh, hey, amplifier can blow the speakers. Just like a gun. Just like a gun. Oh, hey. It comes now. Amplifier can blow the speakers. Just like a gun. Just like a gun. Oh, hey, amplifier can blow the speakers. Just like a gun. Just like a gun. Oh, hey, amplifier can blow the speakers. Just like a gun. Just like a gun. Oh, hey, amplifier can blow the speakers. Just like a gun. Just like a gun. Oh, hey. I would just be mad. Anything would happen. I would turn it on max. Blow the speakers really hard. Add extra bass. Feel the beat in this track. Yeah. I'm being concerned that anything happened importantly. I'm being so worried and thinking so negative in my mind, yeah. Too much of pressure. People were fighting, they had their gun, and I stressed out. And I really want to go to the therapy to help me calm down. People want to get rich. I want to get rich too. I wish I'll start a job so I can make some money today. I'm pretty surprised that people are working hard to make some money, yeah. I don't have a job yet, but it's important for me to get rich.
Alright. Let's see if the speaker blew up.
Not yet. Yep, not yet.
Do that? Oh!
Messed up again.
See, I should have just checked the speaker wires. Alright, fuck it. We're gonna smash that later, but we're gonna start blowing up these speakers that's in now.
Yeah.
Down on the bottom is blued up already, so yeah. We're just disconnect the speaker wires. We're gonna destroy them later, right? With the hammer. I'll give you $1 and you give never mind. I must stop doing that, bro. Ew. Ooh, I can feel how hot it is. The receiver is. Disconnect the wires. I smell burnt plastic. You smell anything?
No.
Smell it down here.
I'ma get it. So we get it.
Smells good.
Really?
Uh-huh.
You sure?
Yeah.
When I asked you to pick up the speaker, then smell the grill of that speaker.
I'ma get it.
Because far away from here, it smells
Smell
like...
it, smell it.
Because far away from here, it smells like
Diego,
cake.
smell that speaker. Smell that speaker. Smell it. No, down on the bottom. All the way down the bottom. Alright, you might want to smell this here. What about over there? You don't smell anything, right?
Yeah.
What it smells like?
Blankets.
I smell burnt plastic here. Yeah, we're gonna destroy them later. I have a hammer. Or I have a radio right here. Hang on one sec. But we're gonna blow this one later. So in the meantime, focus on blowing this thing up.
I'ma get it. So we get it. I'ma get it. Turn up.
Why is it all so complicated? Baby, this should be simple. It's not a mimic time. But when you back it up, it drives me crazy. And you know what I'm into. Baby, forget what we arguing.
Whoa! This gets shit out of me. Yeah, I gotta wear headphones. Oh, you smell anything?
No. Not yet.
Smell it. Smell something.
Not just yet.
Huh? It smells good, huh?
Uh-huh.
Alright, we're gonna blow them up. Let me wear headphones.
Smells like marshmallows.
Really?
Yeah.
wear headphones. So just continue playing up.
I'ma get it. So we get it. So we get it. I'ma get it. Turn up.
He don't know me, but he's setting up to blow me. Oh, said my Twitter picture, mine and my Naomi. Oh, wanna low, I used to holler at his homie. Oh, fucking now I'm about to drive him like a pony. Young Polly, yo come Polly. He wanna fuck a bad Polly and pop Molly. I hope your pockets got a motherfucking pop Polly. Or is it that you never bow? John Sally, he had the rose in the voice, the tone in his voice. The one a good girl, not cold, this is choice. Tick, one H, the pussy on W. Mouth one O, with the ass on W. And ass on the cover, so down magazine. Vroom, 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 get gasoline. Could I be your wife? Now we could ring the I got these niggas with call me
I'ma get it. I'ma get it. We get it. We get it right. Please, some more. I'ma get it.
Take that grill at that speaker. It's annoying. It smells good in here, right?
Yeah, smell something.
Pray for the guy. I woke up in the morning every day. I pray for the God that's in my mind. So I don't have to think about negative in my mind. Negative in my mind, yeah. I woke up in the morning every day. I pray for the God that's in my mind. So I don't have to think about negative in my mind. Negative in my mind. I do not want to stay forever. I want to stay alive, look good. Even though life it could be nothing special, perfect forever. I pray for the God's word, Jesus. My feelings in my heart is true. Let's go. As long as I can stay, I will be okay. I want to live it forever. I'm the only one dying with heaven. People go to church and sing as a choir. Everybody just got nervous. Mine is going positive. Hope that shit is doing good. Bible said, Lord is my strength. I promise Jesus you are giving hope. I have freedom from the country. I was born as a slave for the God. I woke up in the morning every day. I pray for the God that's in my mind. So I don't have to think about negative in my mind. Negative in my mind, yeah. I woke up in the morning every day. I pray for the God that's in my mind. So I don't have to think about negative in my mind. Negative in my mind. I was out in a rave. My feelings. I was there. I was there. Make myself feel better. Music will help me feeling better. One day I will listen to Christian music. No one singing choirs make me happy. I hear the music playing for church. My feelings in my heart is true. I want to live it forever. I woke up in the morning every day. I pray for the God that's in my mind. So I don't have to think about negative in my mind. Negative in my mind, yeah. I woke up in the morning every day. I pray for the God that's in my mind. So I don't have to think about negative in my mind. Negative in my mind. Negative in my mind. Negative in my mind. So I don't have to think about negative in my mind. Negative in my mind.
Oh, that is too hot to touch.
Can't do it like that. No one else gon' get it like that. So I argue, you yeah, take me back. Who cares when it feels like crack? You know that you always do it right. Man, fuck your pride. Just take it on back, boy. Take it on back, boy. Take it back all night. Just take it on back. Take it on back. Do what you gotta do. Give me up all night. Hurt time and hurt time. I look you in your eye. Oh, tell me what you really do. Oh, tell me what you really do. Waiting on that sunshine, but I think I need that back. Can't do it like that. No one else gon' get it like that. So I argue, you yeah, but you take me back. Who cares when it feels like crack? Well, you know that you always do it right. Man, fuck your pride. Just take it on back, boy. Take it on back, boy. Take it back all night. Just take it on back. Take it on back. Do what you gotta do. Give me up all night. Hurt vibe and hurt sad, but I love you in your eyes. Oh, tell me what you really do. Oh, tell me what you really do. Baby, tell me what's wrong. We're gonna make it right. Make it all night long. I've been waiting up all night. Baby, tell me what's wrong. We're gonna make it right. Make it all night long. Man, fuck your pride. Just take it on back. Just take it on back. Take it back all night. Just take it on back. Take it on back. Do what you gotta do. Give me up all night.
I just got a question for her. I'm feeling so too deep, too far away, I'm too deep. Yeah, I really do like her. I really do like her. I really do like her. I just got a question for her. I'm feeling so too deep, too far away, I'm too deep. Yeah, I really do like her. I really do like her. I really do like her. It's Marlon, yep. Baby, I found a new date on my phone. I reply her text messages. I really wanna go out on a date with her. So we could spend more time sitting down trying to wear her. I'm dying of getting myself some females. Never date with a minor. Talk to young females. My ass will be locked up. Try my best to just talk to a girl.
limit, just like Swiss that. I just wanna take my time. Tomorrow I'm going to a road trip. I just wanna ask her out. She can go out with me. Think about what to say. I really got so nervous. I really wanna spend more time. Be more patient. I won't wait for her. I just got a crush on her. I feel so much too deep. Too far away, I'm too deep. Yeah. I really do like her. I really do like her. I really do like her. I just got a crush on her.
Okay, so
This is already too deep.
these two speakers does have a brand
Yeah.
called Yamaha.
I really do like her.
Something tells me two of these are just Yamaha speakers.
It's Marlon, yeah. Try to be
That's why,
patient. I really want a girl. I want to have more than one kids.
I look up this here that has a brand that says Yamaha.
I ain't getting a girl. I just got a crush on Ashley. I look at girls in cartoons. There's no such things as girls in real life. I wanna be confident. I want the same age as me. Just talk to females. I asked her if she wanna date me. She said no, my life some sucks. I got an app called You Dating to my phone. Just on emoji, new text messages. And I asked my dad how I try to feel confident to talk to females. I will like her one day. I will like her one day. I will like her one day. I just got a crush on her. My feelings are way too deep. Too far away, I'm too deep. Yeah. I really do like her. I really do like her. I really do like her. I just got a crush on her. My feelings are way too deep. Too far away, I'm too deep. Yeah. I really do like her. I really do like her. I really do like her. It's Molly, yep.
What's the time remaining? 23 minutes time remaining recording, and then right after that we continue to blowing up the do a speaker blow up progress. So after this we're gonna swipe up into the radio.
We mash up the place, turn up the bass and make that. We mash up the place, turn up the bass and make that. We mash up the place, turn up the bass and make that. We mash up the place, turn up the bass and make that. We mash up the place, turn up the bass and make that. All have fun. And we are raise the fire, make it burn them. We mash up the place, turn up the bass and make some fun. Why run? And we will end your week just like a Sunday. Killing the flows, the sicker than roses, sitting the floors, the weather the most. Never yet part and never yet drop, never yet hard and never yet top. Keep up with God and never yet drop. All of my talk and all of my talk.
No, not the speaker. The speaker. Smell it, right? Yeah. It smells like ice cream. It smells like ice cream. That's before, right?
It smells like wine.
Huh?
Wine.
Wine? Yeah, not wine. It smells like ass. Go.
The fire make it burn them. We mash up the place, turn up the bass and make some sound. Why run? And we will end your week just like a Sunday. tell you we just like a Sunday. Blaze the fire, make it church up early, rolling up a Benny. She just wanna taste the candy, probably soaking up her panties. Nasty when she out the bust a move on Marco Angie. I just went and bought a planet. Now that shit was never planned. Yeah, that was the
Using amplifier that has too much power. I'll be blowing the speakers. 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 Every Friday, I'll be with the speakers. Just go for radio. 50,000 watt. Fighting for fighting. It's time to blow the speakers up. Speakers up. Demonstrate. I wanna see the smoke coming out. It's time to blow the speakers. Add more bass, add more bass. We are tripping up. Demonstrate. I wanna hear the fucking voice blow. It's time to blow the speakers. Add more bass, add more bass. We are tripping up. Wires for the speakers. I'm using two amplifiers to blow up the speakers. Wires for the speakers and you. Wires for the speakers. I'm using two amplifiers to blow up the speakers. Wires for the speakers. People must running for no reason. I'm from my business. I can do blowing the speakers. I'll be blowing the speakers. I'll be blowing the speakers. I'll be blowing the speakers. Friday, I'll be blowing the speakers. You know for radio. 50,000 watt. Fighting for fighting. It's time to blow the speakers up. Speakers up. Demonstrate. I wanna see the smoke coming out. It's time to blow the speakers. Add more bass, add more bass. We are tripping up. Demonstrate. I wanna hear the fucking voice blow. It's time to blow the speakers. Add more bass, add more bass. We are tripping up. Rise for the speakers. I'm using two amplifiers. Blow up the speakers. Rise for the speakers and you. Rise for the speakers. Blow up the speakers. Rise for the speakers.
Let's try the radio, because this radio has extra bass on it, and oh my god, imagine this radio has more power to has more power base. The radio itself has more power base just to blow that thing. This one, this don't need to blow it up. It's a way oh hell yeah, it's locked up. Anyways, I'm about to start destroying the box of a speaker. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing. All right, Diego. So I'm gonna pay you $1 if you can destroy that speaker. Sounds good?
Deal.
Deal. All right, Diego. Let's do this. Okay, I hooked the speaker up through the radio. No, Diego, put that back. We'll do them later. We're gonna do it outside. So, anyways, I just hooked the speaker up through the radio, and this radio itself does have a more and it does have more power to blow that speaker. I even double checked it is by plugging the headphones to see if it has more power bass in it, because I would imagine 240 watts on this radio itself. And I did turn the I bass button on and the max bass on, so yeah, and volume max is all the way up. But I don't want to mess up the volume side, and then the radio will turn the volume down, and I don't want it to happen. So here we go. We'll play the song. It's called Love More.
So we get it. I'ma get it. So we get it. So we get it. we get it right, till we get it right. We come up some more. I'ma get it, till we get it, till we get it. I'ma get it.
Hell no. Oh, send my Twitter. Oh, wanna look. That you never bow. John Sully, he had the roast in the voice.
Can blow the speakers just like a gun, just like a gun. Oh, hey, amplifier can blow the speakers just like a gun, just like a gun. Oh, hey, amplifier can blow the speakers just like a gun. Oh, hey, amplifier can blow the speakers just like a gun, just like a gun. Oh, hey, it reminds me of that I tried, work it up really hard. I like to go and be rich, billions. Yeah, people have to go to work and make millions. People are rich, and that's why they afford iPhone Pro Max. And I'm broke as hell. I don't have to iPhone 13 Pro Max. Amplifier can blow the speakers just like a gun. Just like a gun. Oh, hey, amplifier can blow the speakers just like a gun. Just like a gun. Oh, hey, amplifier can blow the speakers just like a gun. Oh, hey, amplifier can blow the speakers just like a gun. Just like a gun. Oh, hey, I would just be mad. What happened? I would turn it on max. Hard, add extra bass, even this track. Yeah. Being concerned that anything happened importantly. Being so good, thinking so negative in my mind. Too much pressure. People were fighting the habit. Stressed out, and I really want to go to the therapy. So help me. Yeah, people want to get rich. I want to get rich too. I wish I would start a job so I can make some money today. I'm pretty surprised that people are working hard to make some money. Yeah. I don't have a job yet, but it's important for me to get rich.
We mash up the place, turn up the bass and make them. We mash up the place, turn up the bass and make them. We mash up the place, turn up the bass and make them. We mash up the place, turn up the bass and make them. We mash up the place, turn up the bass and make them all have fun. And we have blaze the fire, make it fun. We mash up the place, turn up the bass and make some sound, boy run. And we will end your week just like a Sunday.
Ooh. Let's see if it blew up. See, I can turn the volume up back in max. Then the radio shuts off on me. Let me double check to make sure if it blew up.
Oh, not again.
You know what that means?
We're gonna have to destroy it.
Oh, wait. Don't tell anyone.
We're gonna smash it.
I'm gonna give you a single dollar so you can smash everything. Whoa. Alright, that's good enough. That's good enough. I want to see if there's a woofer inside here. Oh, that is a mess. Alright, next. Smash this one, too. Well, let me move that speaker box out of the way. Alright, that's good enough. Yeah, so I can unscrew the woofer out of there. Next, let's try the next speaker that I want you to smash.
Alright.
You have a hole right here.
Yeah.
That works.
Yeah.
Even though you smash it with a hammer, it breaks.
Uh-huh.
There you go. Okay, you might want to move the face out of there and slash it.
Yeah.
Or whatever it might be. Or turn. Wait, stop. Try that one. Yeah, that's much better now.
Uh-huh.
Don't see any smoke?
No.
Let's see what this do. Oh, that's a mess.
Yeah.
See, we would have been done it outside.
Yeah.
If anything, we would have swept it up.
Yeah, we should have done it outside. Pizza.
Oh, really?
Uh-huh.
No. Let's continue. Let's continue.
Probably better hurry.
Last one. Anyways, I'll smash it. It's my turn now. Let me wear headphones on. Let me put headphones. We're filming.
I'm making stupid mistakes now. Oh, I jumped too high. You can't jump too high. You have to do like
We're coming upstairs. All right, go. That's how I smash it. That's how you smash it. There you go. Oh, so it has to be a reason why the receiver got shut. This is off. There's a circuit inside there.
Yeah. That's all
Right
of them.
here. Take this up.
That's all of them, right? That's all of them, right?
Yeah.